Hello everyone, welcome to IBAR Workflow Studio. Process 4. Today our tutorial the creation of permission form project. This is a web version of process. View 1 for initiators. 1. Choose type of form. A drop-down list with the values, Nbekdi Milizi Orzu Mustan Bozatu. 2. Name surname, the text field, filled in automatically. 3. Department, the text field, filled in automatically. 4. Fill date, text field, filled in automatically with the current date. 5. Telephone number, the text field, filled in manually. 6. Place number, the text field, filled in manually. 7. Leaving date, initiator can choose from calendar. 8. Coming date, initiator can choose from calendar. 9. Type of work. A drop-down list with the values, Professor Okitusi Krimi or Akanshlik Metka. 10. Head of initiator, the text field, filled by choosing in table. Let's start us do it. Form. Creation of project name in form. Choose label tool from standard form control. In properties caption of label enter the name of project for users. Also for label in appearance might make a border. In permission form process in properties caption of label 7 we entered Ketu Kagazi. To make border only for bottom, uncheck others. Creation of object list to choose one element. Choose combo box tool from standard form control. In properties caption of label enter the name of project for users. In our process type of forms elements are, Nbekdi Milizi Orzu Mustan Bozatu. Creation of object which shows automatically initiators information. Choose user data tool from user and document data. To move label and document owner differently uncheck caption in document owner's property, in text choose standard property information which need be automatically. In appearance choose object is visible. In our process label is 8 is on E and for document owner chosen in text standard property information, name and surname. Appearance, object is visible. In our process label is department and for document owner chosen in text standard property information, department. Appearance, object is visible. Date. In our process label is Tolteralgan Kuni for document chosen in text standard property information, create date. Appearance, object is visible. Creation of object that will enter by initiator himself. Choose text box tool from standard form control. In properties of text click to data type and choose text. In this process telephone number and place number are label 10 and label 9 information that initiator must enter. Creation of object for date from calendar. Choose text box tool from standard form control. In properties of text click to data type and choose date and click to get today's date, select from calendar. In this process Ketukuni and Kelukuni are leaving date and coming date that initiator must choose in calendar. Appearing of new objects after choosing one element code. In our process when in Kaismeturi we choose Akanshlik Kaismetka the object appears Bolim Menduashizi. Click to list. Go to event in Code Explorer right side of Studio, and write this code to list 3 underscore on after change. Switch list 3 dot selected value. In our case code will be like this. Using the database connection to find head of department. We use list 1 and compare object in flow. By elements of list 1 we can define administrative or academic staff. And if selected element 2 in list 1, we need to define head of the department. To determine the manager from the list, you need to connect the database. The initiator chooses his superior, then the chief's name is saved in variable 2. Creation of warming message. Choose label tool from standard form control. In properties caption of label enter the warming message for users. Also you can give a color. In our project, label 4 is after submitting your public Wi-Fi request. It will be evaluated by IT department. You will receive confirmation email and Wi-Fi details. Please, don't forget to check your email. Warning message. Adding a new view in form. Why we need view. View helps to show different pages to different users. To create view, click to right side of mouse of form, click to view new view, enter name of view. After entering name of view opens new page. If you want to delete view, click to right side of mouse, choose form properties and click to views tab, select view that you want to delete, then click to minus. If you want to go to another view, click to right side of mouse of form, click to view active view, click to view which you want to see. In Wi-Fi request process has two views. First view is default. Second view is IT view. The information of two views are same, but after sending initiator, request goes to director of IT department. This person must enter password that this object is in second view. Also to copy objects from first view to second view in Object Explorer, right side of Studio, has all labels and text. In every object you can click to right side of mouse and click to visible. View 2. Creation of object mask to entering different word. Mostly Wi-Fi names will be different in other language, etc. That is why in property of text enter this mask. Flow. Addition of document and events to users. To add document, in property of user click to document, then add by plus the document and tick the edit. To add events to users, in property of user click to event, then add by plus and choose event. In our project we added document 1 for every user and the flow starter can send or cancel, that is why we chose approve and reject. Addition of constant positions for flow group. To choose constant flow group, open the property of flow group and click to group content. To add put plus, then choose position constant position, choose positions from database table. In this project for HR group we chose group members chief, expert chief, director and expert. Creation objects by using standard flow controls. In our project we use compare, assignment and flow parallel, and operator, or operator objects. First, is compare. The comparison process is established in the results section of the compare tab. A different link line is formed for each value added to the results section, and processes can be branched in different directions depending on the values of these link lines during their workflow. Select variable equals variable 1. Choose variable type equals integer, results equals 1. And in variable object, we need to give a link, document equals document 1, object equals list 1. Assignment must be used in order to identify the manager data. Double-click on assignment object to enter its properties. In the properties window, click to assignment tab, where target object is position 1. After selection target object, you should define source data on the menu, type is department manager, then you should select object department 1. And in department object, we need to choose type, flow initiator department, add department from list. And in assignment you can work with variable like compare object, flow parallel like and operator. The AND operator is not only an object that enables the continuation of a flow after waiting for the approval results from separate positions. This object can also be used when a branched flow, operating in parallel to another flow after some approval process should return, at a point, to the flow from which it originally branched. The OR operator is not only an object that enables the continuation of a flow after waiting for the approval results from any one of a collection separate positions. This object can also be used when a branched flow, operating in parallel to another flow after some approval process should return, at a point, to the flow from which it originally branched. Sending a message to approvers about the approval to process. To send email about approval to user, go to property of users. In messages caption fill the title, and in message fill what he or she must do. In permission form process email goes to HR group members. In caption written this sentence, ibar.net equals process caption approval, question mark equals name, equals surname, equals process caption the name of process, question mark equals name, equals surname, the name and surname of initiator. Creation of a folder for finished process and export PDF document. Choose export to PDF in advanced flow controls. In properties of export to PDF, value type must be text and constant value. Click to export to PDF that you created. Go to Event in Code Explorer right side of Studio, and write this code public void export _execute function inside execute. HR// plus datetime dot now dot year plus permission and HR// plus datetime dot now dot year plus permission. This is a code of folder. You can change name of folder. Datetime dot now dot year automatically choose year. HR// plus datetime dot now dot year plus permission plus variable 3 dot value plus process plus PDF and HR// plus datetime dot now dot year plus permission plus variable 3 dot value plus process plus PDF. This is a code of PDF document. Variable 4 is ID. After completed process in WebView, you can see archive from document management HR-2017 permission or HR-2017 permission folder. Sending a notification to initiator about the completed process. Choose the notification tool from approval controls. In property of notification, go to group content, then put to plus and add position flow initiator. In this process we chose initiator, and in message